Tonight on Garage Time, we're going to show you what happens when you buy cheap parts. Okay, so we're under the vehicle now, and you can see here's your brake switch. And we've got lots of fluid on here, and I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but it's running down my finger, and definitely looks like brake fluid. So red on lots, well, and you see the paint peeling off here, so obviously brake fluid and paint don't get along. So read in a lot of forums, these switches, there's a lot of issues with the Chinese manufactured switches. Typically we do buy German. I was in a pinch when we replaced the cylinder, and all they had in stock were the Chinese model. They're about $5 versus 20 something for the German made. So yeah, I've heard about them leaking and causing problems. I didn't realize it would leak on this side of the switch, but in our boot, that's what it appears to do. So I'm going to remove this boot now and see, well, if a pool of fluid, I'm trying to do it without blocking the camera. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the fluid. That boot is just full of brake fluid. Okay, so look at the fluid. This is nuts. All right, so we definitely have a faulty switch. Fluid is leaking through it. It's nuts. That switch would only be less than a year old.
All right, so Mike's in the Westie right now, and he's gonna push on the brake, and we're gonna see if we can get this to squirt or sweat. And as you can see, it's a little tough to see, but it is starting to sweat around the contacts. So, and it's pooling on the bottom, a little bit more pressure, and it's very apparent that it's leaking.
Okay, so we are ready to remove our switch, install a new one. It's 24 mil or 15/16 works as well. I'm gonna try to do this really quickly. By quick, I mean once it's off, put on the new one. And hopefully we don't lose a lot of fluid. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna use some compressed air, blow a little bit of the fluid out of here. Obviously, brake fluid is super nasty. So I'm gonna get some goggles. Gonna put a lot of paper towel. Reconnect, and then we'll we'll go check the pedal again.
All right, so we have Mike back up in the Westie, and we're gonna give it some pushes on the brake pedal. We'll see if our leak is gone.
Pedal feels good up here.
Good, no leaks down here.
Perfect. Alright, so the brakes are back up and running, no leaks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.